In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to change country on Poppo Live. So you want to actually change your country, maybe you relocated to somewhere else and you want to change your country. You're currently in your country, but you don't want to use that country as your brand identification. Then in this video, I'm going to actually show you how to change your country on Poppo Live. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here, I'm going to expand my profile section. You can see my profile right here. You can see my name, Tutor Faraday. So clicking on expand in order to expand the section like this. At the top right corner, you can see the pen icon right there. So you need to go ahead and click on the pen icon in order to edit your profile. Right here, you can see the option of country. You can see that my current country right here is Nigerian. And looking here, it says can't be modified, which actually means that I can't actually edit or change the country right here. So this is how Poppo Live actually did it. You can only change your country once you are trying to create an account on Poppo Live. Now once the account is created and successfully created on Poppo Live, you won't be able to modify your country on Poppo Live. Right here, you can see that it says here can't be modified, and there's totally and absolutely nothing you can actually do. But there's actually a trick to that. In this video, I'm going to show you that. Going back right here to your profile, looking here, you can see the option of help. So you need to go ahead and click on help like this. Now at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says my feedback. So you need to go ahead and click on that and click on questioning. So right here, you can also go ahead and screenshot your profile page before doing this. Then go ahead and click on report complaints. You can see that at the top of the screen, report complaints. Then go ahead and click on report orders. You can see that right here. So right here, you need to input your ID. After inputting your ID, then you need to describe to Poppo Live by telling Poppo Live that you want to change your country on Poppo Live, that you made a mistake on your country while registering your Poppo Live account, or you actually relocated to another country and you're not seeing those people in that country on your home feed. So you can actually politely send this to Poppo Live and wait patiently for their feedback, and Poppo Live is actually going to help you to fix that problem. So this is the only way you can actually fix this problem, and this is the only way you can actually change your country on Poppo Live. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button. This channel is really for you. In this channel, we teach you guys on how to fix app-related issues and also how to make money online. So if this is really your thing, do it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell as well to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. This is Tutor Faraday channel. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video.